catch Leia.
Alright.
I don't know how good she is out here. Not this. Please, baby. Come on, baby. No, you're good.
I thought you was at an instantly go to the road.
I'm gonna leave that on her though.
It's like we're like,
Catch up with her.
it's like we're
Catch up
animals.
with her.
Huh?
Catch up with her.
She fits to run. There she goes.